guys, my name is Kelly and I'm a full-time reseller. My Poshmark and Instagram are both rebel_rose_co. So today I'm going to do a thrift haul. I went to the local animal shelter thrift store. They always have amazing stuff for amazing prices. It goes for a good cause. Like, I would pay up for a lot of things that I get. I actually just filmed another video. It's up when I'm posting this. I will link it up above. If not, keep your eye out for it. It's another thrift haul where I found some amazing brands for like $2. If you like reseller or thrifting content, if you could like, comment, subscribe, watch the whole way through. I know I say this in every video, but I'm trying to get monetized. I don't make any money on these videos, and I need about, I think it was like 1,300 watch hours. I can't even remember. Get monetized, and for like a 10-minute video to get 1,300 hours is a lot. So yeah, if you watch the whole way through, like, comment, that all helps me out a ton. And let's get on with the thrift haul. I know some people have different opinions about sharing cost of goods. So sometimes they do, sometimes they don't, but these things, I just pulled them out of my trunk. I thrifted these like a month ago, and I don't remember what any of them are, and they also have tags on them. So this is like a surprise haul for myself, and I will share cost of goods just because they already have tags on them. Okay, so this first item looks like a men's item. Yeah, I remember finding something good there, but I found a Pierre Balmain suit jacket there one time for $2, and I'm gonna send it into the real, so yeah. Okay, this is, I don't see any information. Oh, girl. Okay. I never know how to say this. Givenchy? Givenchy? Isn't it something like that? Givenchy Monsieur? Something. Okay, so this is a Givenchy Monsieur, whatever, suit. The jacket is here, and then these pants were attached to it. I don't see any tags on the pants. I'm assuming they were like tailored or something, or maybe it's like inside the pockets or something. I'm not sure. I never sell men's suits. I actually just went to an estate sale and I purchased like 20 men's suits, and I'm gonna make a video on that, so I need to learn about that kind of stuff. But here, oh yeah, I forgot to say the price. Okay, it was a two-piece, $2.50 for both of these for a Givenchy suit. So I actually didn't even look up comps on this because I'm pretty sure I can send this into the real, but I figured if not, there's no way I'm gonna be losing money paying $2.50 for Givenchy. So I'm super happy about that. Okay, this next item is actually for myself. I never buy things for myself. So it's a size 10. It is a little snug on me. It's just H&M divided. It was $8, which is like a lot for this thrift store. It's funny how they price, in one of my other videos, like I found Dries Von Noten there for $8. That's like thousands of dollars. And then H&M is also $8, so I don't know. It's just this vegan suede moto jacket. I've always wanted something like this. So yeah, I'm super excited to wear this. Let's keep going. Oh yeah, Patagonia. Okay, so this Patagonia for $1. And it's a size XL. Looks like I do need to like spruce this up a little bit. It feels like a little bit like matted or whatever, but even if I don't, I think I'd still get a good amount for this. I watched Honey Rags. She has some kind of tool that she uses on these. I don't have it, but I should probably get it. So yeah, I'm super excited about this. $1 for Patagonia vest. Can't beat that. Okay, this is a Disney shirt. Probably not gonna get too much, 20, 25 maybe, but it was $1 and it's cute. It says, trying to take a decent selfie, like, and then it's Mickey Mouse in the mirror. It's in really good condition, even though it's white. So yeah, I just thought this was cute. Everybody loves Disney, so. Okay, ooh, I forgot about a lot of this stuff. Okay, this says powder milk biscuits. Has your family tried them? Heavens, they're tasty. And I was like, huh, this looks old. So I used Google Lens to look this up, and they were going for like $60 because this is vintage. It's Fruit of the Loom, and I paid so here's the Fruit of the Loom tag, and I paid $1.50 for it. Super cool. Yeah, it's definitely that like Y2K style. So definitely that like Y2K style. So yeah, I'm excited to list that. Oh, a free cup lid. Go support them. Okay, a few more things. This was $1. Betsy Johnson. Okay. Size 8. Here's the tag, $1. A satin mini skirt. Perfect color for the holidays. Let's see what it's made out of. Okay, it's acetate and rayon, but it is made in the USA. So I wonder if this is like vintage Betsy Johnson. I don't know. But I thought that was cute. Nice holiday color. Okay, it's Liz Claiborne, which is not something I would normally pick up, but this style is so cute. It has shoulder pads, and it's like a satin feel, polka dot. I love the color. It's a midi dress. So yeah, it buttons down the front. So yeah, it's a size 4. I didn't even look up comps on this because it's so cute. It was only $3. So yeah, I thought this was super cute. If you're still watching, that means a lot to me. I only have a couple items left, so make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Okay. Ooh, I was super excited for this. It's called The Nines by Hatch, which I'm pretty sure sold at Anthropologie. I don't know what The Nines is, so this could be a diffusion brand, but I'm pretty sure this is maternity. So I paid $2, and this is the tag. Hatch, it's a floral midi dress. Yeah, I'm 99% sure that this stuff is maternity. Buttons down the front, has really cute little sleeves that tie. I can't wait to list this. Nice midi dress, really good condition. So yeah, I'm really excited to list that. Ooh, what is this? It's pretty. Oh yeah, Princess Polly. And it was new with tags. It's called the Star Power Mini Dress in Champagne. There's this. I paid $3 for it. It's just a champagne dress, really pretty. I should have listed this stuff sooner, but yeah, it's like that square neckline. Super pretty. Feels like silk, but I'm sure it's polyester. So yeah, and then we got one more item. Okay, Backroad Blues. I actually got this because I kind of want to try this on. It was only $1.50. I don't know anything about this brand, but I don't know. I thought this would be cute. I know it's like kind of Western, so I'll list it if it doesn't look good on me. But I also got like boho vibes from it. And I don't know, I just felt like over like a tank in the summer, this could be cute. So we'll see. That is it for this haul. Thank you so much for watching. I have so many other hauls if you like this kind of content. And yeah, so don't forget to check out my Instagram, rebel_rose_co. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.